Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Dibesh sir. So far we have finished lecture number 2 from the chapter number 4 Determinant. In case you have missed those lectures, don't worry about it. Tap your screen. You'll get I button on the right side corner of your screen. Through this you are able to find the previous lecture. So don't memorize maths but learn the basics, note down the basics, memorize the formula and practice a lot of questions. This will make you stronger in maths and you will fall in love with maths. So let's start our today's topic. There are a lot of questions in determinant. To make it easier, we have categorized them to different types. So let's understand them in detail. So type 1. So type 1, determinant in which two rows or columns become identical by applying properties of determinant. So let's do an example. First, without expanding, evaluate the determinant. Evaluate the determinant, that is 49, 40, 41, 1, 5, 79, 7, 9, 29, 5, 3. So check it properly. Now if you do C1 is equal to C1 minus 5 times 8 times of C3, you will find C1 means 41 minus 8 times of 5, that is 40. 41 minus 40, that means you will get 1. Similarly 79 minus 8 times of 9, that is 72. 79 minus 72, 7. 29, 8 times of 3, that is 24. 29 minus 24, you will get 5. That means you will get 175, which is identical to column number 2. So let's do it. That is 41 minus 8 5s are 40. 79 minus 8 9s are 72. 29 minus 3 8s are 24. 175 5 9 3. So you will get 1 7 5 1 7 5 5 9 3. Now according to property number 4, theorem number 4, if both the row or column are same, then determinant will be 0. So this will be 0. Let's do another question. Question number 2. There is 1 1 1 A B C B plus C C plus A plus B. Now here if you check, if you add column number 3 with column number 2, you will get A plus B plus C here also a plus b plus c, here also a plus b plus c, and you can take a plus b plus c as common. You'll get 1 1 1, which is equal to column number 1, so which is identical to column number 1. Then answer will be 0. So write it, that is column number 3 is equal to column number 3 plus column number 2. So answer will be 1 1 1 a b c. Here it becomes a plus b plus c. It also becomes a plus b plus c. It also becomes a plus b plus c. You can take a plus b plus c as common, a plus b plus c as common. You will get 1 1 1 a b c. Here you will get 1 1 1. So both C1 and C3 are identical, so answer will be 0. Next question. Question number third. Show that 1 1 1 BC CA AB A times of B plus C, B times of C plus A, C times of A plus B is equal to 0. We have to prove that this as 0. So here also, if you check, if you multiply A with all those, it will become AB plus AC. It will become, this one becomes BC plus AB. This one becomes CA plus BC. Now if you add this column with second column, you will get AB plus AC plus BC. Here also AB plus AC plus BC. Here also AB plus AC plus BC. So you can take AB plus BC plus AC as common, then it will become 1 1 1, which is identical with column number 1. So answer will be 0. So let's do it. That is 1 1 1. No, write it first. No, make it, multiply it first. BC CA AB, multiply it, AB plus AC, BC plus AB, CA plus BC. Now here write down, that is C3 column 3 is equal to column 3 plus column 2. You'll get 1 1 1 BC CA AB. This becomes AB plus BC plus AC. Here also AB plus BC plus AC. Here also AB plus BC plus AC. Now you can take AB plus BC plus AC as common, AB plus BC plus AC as common, then 1 1 1 left, BC BCA AB, and 1 1 1 left, which is equal, since both the two columns are same, so answer will be 0. Let's do another question. Question number 4. Without expanding, prove that x plus y, y plus z, z plus x, z x y 1 1 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can notice that if you add row 1 with row 2, you will get x plus y plus z. Here also x plus y plus z. Here also x plus y plus z. You can take x plus y plus z as common. So you will get final answer. That is row 1 is equal to row 1 plus row 2. It becomes x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z also x plus y plus z. This is z x y 1 1 1. Now take x plus y plus z as common, x plus y plus z as common, you'll get 1 1 1, z x y 1 1 1. Clearly both the both first and third row are same, so answer will be 0. So this is our first type of questions. Thanks for joining the class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to have notification for my new videos. So keep watching, keep loving. Thank you.